So I'm going to show you how to change the font style and font size on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So you want to go into settings, and then on the left hand side panel, go to display, tap on that, and then you should see font size and style. Now if you tap on that, you can actually see a preview of the current font style and size. So you can start by changing font style. Now you have some font styles that come pre-installed on your tablet, but also you can tap on download fonts, and that's going to take you to the Galaxy Store where you can download some fonts. Okay, so you can go to new or even top and have some fonts. So for instance, if I want this one called Rosemary, I'll just select it and install. And once it's installed, now if I go back to my list, you can see it's been added to the list, and I can enable it from here, and you can see that changes the entire font style. Now also you can make it bold if you prefer it that way, and also down here you have a slider where you can actually adjust the size of that font, so you can see what it looks like in real time, and it's also going to change in real time, as you can see. So you can see what it looks like, so you can know when you've taken it too far, it's too big or too small. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.